Umair and Yaz Haq from Washington, D.C. A food deliverer. I was a personal trainer. I did some professional boxing and mixed martial arts. And my sister got me a job with the local elementary school. I found a roadside sign and I called it. And they gave me some information and introduced me into Renatus. Since then, it's been 4 years that we've been involved. I was able to meet my beautiful wife through this opportunity.
The time freedom and definitely the money also. We are free and we can go on vacation anytime we want or work from anywhere we want and spend a lot of time with our puppy combo.
You got a puppy.
Yes, and take him to the office and anywhere we want, actually. Time freedom and definitely the money.
I didn't want to do what my parents did, which is work their whole lives. For me, Renatus was an alternative education because I wasn't really good at regular school, and they were teaching me things that I may not have ever used in my regular life, like Algebra 2, right? Now I'm just equipped with knowledge that I can practically use in real life to take care of my family and my wife and friends, and not even just now, but generations to come.